train. Directly train available on Helsinki Central Train Station, and always train comes in platform 1, platform 2 and platform 3. So you can very easily take the train every 10 minutes and directly reach on airport. Like such kind of color trains going on the airport way. Those 3-4 trains totally indifferent for the going to the. If you traveling Central Train Station to airport, so the train ticket price around €4. But if you have day pass ticket, so using day pass you can very easily Central Train Station to airport using the day pass. If you have no day pass, so you can purchase €4 ticket for the ticket machine available on Central Train Station and reach after 32 minutes in airport. Taking this train in Helsinki Central Train Station to reach here in the airport 32 minutes. Train comes in this tunnel. ये बैग फॉरवर्ड थी. इसमें जो और एक अच्छे आते हैं जिसमें लैपटॉप रखने के लिए प्रॉपर जगह रहती है. ये लोग बुरे दे दे. देखिए ये 400 है, ये 200 है, ऐसा अपना 500. हाँ बस वही जाना था. हाँ अपने को सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग करनी है ना. बहुत ही सही है ना. बोर्डिंग पास निकालना है कुछ.